customer satisfaction. You've been training your staff? Yeah, they're doing okay. Is okay good enough? We're doing good? Is good enough? Maybe your competition is even better on their customer service. So what really differentiates you to your competition? How can you make that difference? The only way you will differentiate yourself with your competition is to connect with your customers at an emotional level. This is that emotional connection which will get your customers to come back. You will get that loyalty. You will really see them. They won't want to go anywhere else. They'll come back to you because you connected here. So a quick brain theory. We were talking about, neuroscience. I love talking a little bit of that brain because this is where you're going to really understand how it works. So we have the back of our brain is our lizard brain. You know what the lizard brain is, right? You've got a bear. You're walking through the forest, New Forest, and suddenly you're facing with a bear. What do? Run? Freeze? Okay. Something else? Oh yes, there's another one here who's fighting, you going for him, yeah? Okay, of course. You either freeze, you'll either run, or you either go for it. And that part of your brain just takes over. It's the autopilot. It's the one that your consciousness doesn't do anything. It's your subconscious that suddenly takes everything. Then we have our mammal brain and we have our human brain. And that's the right brain and the left brain. So those are the difference. The one in the middle, the limbic system, is the only one which will make the difference between us and animals. Because the animals will have the other brain. They'll have the neocortex. They also are able to think and act, but they're not able to feel. So if we're looking at a little bit more details, our right brain, our limbic brain, and I call it also, this is the feminine energy. This is our yin energy, This is the moment when you're in the shower, and because you think about nothing else than just with the water in the shower, suddenly you think, oh, this is my idea, that ha-ha moment that you've got, that you've been trying to think about an idea for a long time because you never have the space. So the right brain will give you that space. Creativity, that emotional, that thinking. This is where you connect with your customers and your employees. And that connectivity, that creativity. On Wednesday we were talking to a conference about innovations. Let the space to your people to be creative. Give them that space so they can actually bring some more into the business. And the left brain is our neocortex. So this is when things kicked in, right? That's the action. That's the logic, the analytic. Let's go and do things. The yang energy. And businesses nowadays are so yang. They've got so much energy. It's always about more strategies. It's always about more figures. It's always about targets. Let's get it. Let's go and get some more. Let's go and get some more. And where do we forget? We forget our feelings and how people are actually human. We forget to go and shake hands to our customers or say good morning to our employees. We forget to bring some care into what we do.